Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Don't have too long. I'm going to teach you the very basics of beatboxing, and we're going to build things up from there. First of all, can we get everybody to go ba? So, nice big breath in. Okay, not bad, not bad. Everyone say after me the word T with a big smile. T. Whisper it. T. And this time take the breathy sound off the end and give me a T. Okay, keep going. Ready? Here we go. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. We've got about 10 more minutes.